everyone! Welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting business idea that's perfect for anyone who loves helping others and wants to be their own boss. We're talking about how to start a roadside assistance business without towing. That's right, you don't need a tow truck or heavy equipment to get started. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn this into a profitable venture, let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is a roadside assistance business without towing? Well, it's all about providing essential services to drivers in need, like jump-starting dead batteries, changing flat tires, delivering fuel, unlocking cars, and even minor repairs. These are services people desperately need when they're stranded, and you can be their hero without the hassle of towing heavy vehicles. Now let's break this down step by step. Here's how you can start your own roadside assistance business. Step 1. Research your market. Start by researching your local area. Are there already roadside assistance services? What do they offer and what's missing? Look for gaps in the market like faster response times or more affordable pricing. This will help you stand out. Step 2. Create a business plan. Every successful business starts with a plan. Outline your services, pricing, target audience, and goals. For example, will you focus on individual drivers or partner with local businesses like car dealerships or insurance companies? A solid plan will keep you on track. Step 3. Get the right tools and equipment. Here's the fun part, gathering your gear. You'll need basics like jumper cables, a portable battery booster, tire repair kits, a fuel can, and lockout tools. You don't need a fancy truck, just a reliable vehicle to carry your equipment. Keep it simple and cost-effective. Step 4. Set your pricing. Decide how much you'll charge for each service. Research competitors' prices, but don't undervalue yourself. For example, charging $50 to $100 per call is a good starting point, depending on your location and the service provided. Step 5. Legalize your business. Make it official. Register your business, get the necessary licenses, and look into insurance. Liability insurance is a must. It protects you in case something goes wrong while helping a customer. Step 6. Market your services. Now it's time to get the word out. Create a simple website or social media pages to showcase your services. Use local Facebook groups, Google My Business, and even partnerships with auto shops or gas stations to attract customers. Word of mouth is powerful too, so always provide excellent service. And here's a pro tip. Offer a membership or subscription plan. For example, drivers can pay a monthly fee for unlimited roadside assistance calls. It's a win-win, they get peace of mind and you get recurring revenue. Starting a roadside assistance business without towing is a low-cost, high-reward opportunity. It's all about being reliable, fast, and friendly. With the right tools, a solid plan, and great customer service, you can build a thriving business that helps people when they need it most. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and ideas. And if you have any questions or want to share your own roadside assistance journey, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep driving forward.